Hi, I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group. Today we're going to discuss the analysis of goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset that contributes to the value of a company. 3 ways to analyze your goodwill is 1, by anonymous online surveys, 2, focus groups, and 3, by client testimonies. When conducting online surveys, you want to be sure that they're anonymous so that your clients will be completely honest. 2, when you provide focus groups, provide incentives to those that participate, whether it's goodies, whether it's savings on services or products, or if it's just free breakfast. And 3, your client testimonies. Those are a great gauge to know the goodwill of your company. When clients are willing to provide you with testimonies when you don't ask, that shows that you're doing something right. Again, your goodwill contributes to your brand, which contributes to your continued success. I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group. I hope these tips help.